My name is Boller. I am a professor at Saarland University, a professor in NDT and quality assurance. I'm organizing or involved in the organization of a variety of different international conferences. One of them is a conference, a symposium called NDT in Aerospace. And TPAC had a booth and exhibited. And one of my collaborators, postdocs, was there and said, you must have a look at their equipment, because their equipment is completely modular and we can get access to the raw data, which it was something which was extremely important for us from the research point of view. And there we had a very nice benchmark, and we were invited even to come to Nantes, even when we were there for 2 days in Nantes. That hospitality, I've never seen that somewhere else. So we came there, it was open, it was discussed. They said, we come to our lab. They showed you even this advanced visualization, which is, by the way, another very, very important thing for people to be shown to the outside. And I hope we can continue to collaborate.